We're at 3402 Greenbriar Court, Unit A. We're walking into the front door here. So we're standing in our living room. Our main living areas have carpeting, while there is laminate in the bedroom, or in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. So here's that front room. We do have a coat closet right behind our front door, so we have some extra storage space. And here is that living room again. Walking to the back of the unit, we have our kitchen. We do have a space for an eat-in kitchen area. And then we have our back door to our back patio. And then we have our laundry room in the back as well. So washer dryer connections are here and ready for you. Here is that kitchen space again. Now we'll head down the hallway. Passing another linen closet. Our first right is our bathroom space. Coming back out, then our next right is our first bedroom. So this is on the back side of the unit. Looks into the backyard. We have a good sized closet in this bedroom. Again, carpeting throughout the main living areas. And then here is our second bedroom. This is on the front side of the unit. Again, another good sized closet in here as well. This is an end unit in the Greenbriar subdivision, so it's a very convenient location. You can view more info at BarronsPM.com. Our number is 850-934-2588. And again, you can also view it at BarronsPM.com.